Hello mates, so this is Unfamous Jin from the Poor Vloggers Guild. Naisa, remember? In this video we're gonna compare two products. These two products is Oreo, a dark and white chocolate from the Monde Lays International. The second product would be the Cremo. Yep, the Jack and Jill Cremo with the vanilla cream filled chocolate sandwich cookies. So I'd open the sudlanan here, the sudlanan, say English sudlanan, and put it in this plate here. Yes, as you can see, there's a bit of crack here, and this is the Oreo. It's just a perfect, teeny beanie. Yep, no cracks. I'm gonna compare these two right now and see which of these two. I guess it's a bit. I'm gonna put it right here. There. Aha, there is it. So I'm gonna compare these two right now. I'm gonna rate it from 1 to 5. 5 would be the yummiest, and 1 would be the bleh. Let's start to taste which one is yummier and the most tastiest. So I'm gonna go with Oreo first. Here. So I've seen this in commercials, and they twist, lick. Yep, it's chocolatey, creamy. I just don't like the combinations of the two. The chocolate is a bit stronger than the vanilla. It's just look how big the chocolate has. It has a bigger portion than the vanilla. So let's taste the cookies. This is how it tastes. I don't know, man. I don't know, mates. I have a feeling that it's not that good in my mouth. I'm not good at this review thing, but I have a feeling though it's not good here. It tastes with the cream and the cookies itself. Here. It's not that bad. It's not that good. It's just in the middle. When you mix it all up, when you eat it all up with the cream, it had a bit of satisfactory there. I might give this just a 3. A 3. Next up would be this, the Jack and Jill Cremo. So let's taste the cream. So it's just a vanilla cream. I love the cream, the vanilla cream itself. Yeah, I just love the cream. No more comments. Just love the cream. I'm gonna taste the cookie. The cookie itself and the Cremo is not that sweet, and it's crunchy. No, it's not that Oreo is not crunchy, but I'd like the taste of the cookie in Cremo than in Oreo. Maybe it's the flavor in the Oreo, the dark and white chocolate in it, but I really love the cookie cookies and cream. So it's time to taste both of the cream and the cookie. I love this, the creamo with the mixture of the vanilla itself with the cookies. My taste buds likes it though. My taste buds likes it. And I will rate this. This a 4. This a 4. I can't make it perfect though. I can make it perfect because the cookies itself is so fragile. So based on what I ate right now, I got a good rate in creamo than in Oreo. This kind of flavor here. Maybe the other Oreo with just a regular flavor, just like the vanilla one, might have a good taste. But for this video, I think I'll choose creamo for this. It got a nice flavor, very good. The cookie are good with the vanilla cream, and it's a bit crunchy. The downside is it breaks easily. Here, look, it breaks easily. That it's not that sweet. The Oreo though, I don't like the combination of dark and white chocolate in the cookie. It sucks. And the cookie is a bit sweeter. To all those Oreo fans, I don't hate Oreo, but I don't like it either. So it's just something I just have to do here, just for this video. So this is where I'm gonna end my video, and thanks for watching. This is Unfamous Jim from the Poor Vloggers Guild na isa ra miyembro, signing off. Kadish!